Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel again, Intelligent Learners. In this video we are going to discuss from question number 11 till question number 13. What we have to find out, we have to find out the first 5 terms of the series, right? So of the sequence, sorry. And then what we have to find out, we have to find out the series. So first we will find out the sequence. Some terms we have to find out from A1 to A5 because 5 terms are there, we have to find. And then we have to find out the series. Series means the addition of all the terms that we have find out, right? So yes, let's start with the video. So let's have a discussion regarding the first 5 terms of each of the sequence. So question number 11 to 13 we have to do. So let's start with the questions, and the question number 11th is this one, where A1 is given to you, that is the first term. A1 means A only, that is, it is given to you, that is equals to 3. What is the nth term? Nth term is given 3 times 3 multiply A of n minus 1, we can write like this, plus 2, right? So this is the nth term given to you for all n is greater than 1. So we have to find out the 5 terms of the sequence, right? So let's start with this. N is greater than 1, it means we can't take n as 1. We will take from n is equals to 2, right? So let's talk about A2. So A2 is 3 times, it is A of 2 minus 1 plus 2, that is equals to 3 times A of 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 2. What is the value of A1 that is given to you? That is 3. So 3 times 3 plus 2. So first we'll multiply, that is 9, and then we will add. So this is the second term, that is 11. Now let's talk about A3. A3, let me change the color. So A3, that is equals to 3 times A of 3 minus 1 plus 2. So A3 is equals to A times A2 plus 2. What is A2? We have just find out. So 3 times 11 plus 2, that is equals to 33 plus 2, that is 35. So A3 is 35. Now let's talk about A4. Okay. So A4, that is equals to 3 times of A4 minus 1 plus 2. That is 3 times A3. 4 minus 1 is 3. And what is the value of A3? We just find out, that is 35 plus 2. So 3 times 35 is how much? 3, 5, 15, 3, 3, 9, 10. So 105 plus 2, which is equals to 107. So this is the A4. Now let's talk about the 5th term, A5. So where we'll find it? Okay, A5, that is equals to, we will put into this 3 times A 5 minus 1, that is 4 plus 2. What is the value of A4? So 3 times A4 is 107 plus 2. So 3 times 107 is how much? It is equals to 321 plus 2, which is equals to 323. That is the 5th term. So these are all the 5 terms that we have of the sequence. Now, if you have to find out A6, you can easily find out, but I am stopping here only at A5. Now, please see. First, I will write all the sequence. So what is the sequence now? A1 is 3. Then we have 11. Then we have 35. Then we have 107. Then we have 323. So this is the sequence, everyone. Okay. Now, let's just a second. I will rub all this first. Now, please understand the question, what is given to you. This is the, and obtain the corresponding series. This is the question, right? So series means you have to add all the terms that you have in the sequence. So 3 plus 11, that is how much? So 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323, right? We have to add them. So it will be 3, 4, 9, then you have 16, 16 plus 3 is 19, right? Then one carry 3, 3, 6, 7, and we have as 4. So 479 is the final answer, right? It is a series. So whenever you have to find out the terms, so terms are these ones, that is a sequence. And whenever you have to find out the series, you just have to add all the terms that. Okay. So let's move to the next question, everyone. Question number 12, and this is the question where a1 is given to you, the first term is given to you, -1. This is the nth term, and n is greater than equals to 2. So we'll start with 2. So n value is 2 or greater than 2. So let's take it 2. So when n is equals to 2, so we have to find out a2. So 2 minus 1 by 2, a of 1 by 2. And what is a1? That is equals to -1 over 2. So this is the a2. Let's talk about a3. That is a of 3 minus 1 divided by 3. A of 2, 3. What is a2 value? It is half divided by 3. It is the division is 3 is in the denominator now, so it will be -1 over 6. Let's talk about a4, which is a4 minus 1 over 4. That is equals to a of 3 by 4. What is a3? That is -1 over 6 times 1 over 4. So it will be -1 over 24. Then we have a5, that is equals to a of 5 minus 1 by 5. That is a4 by 5. What is a4? It is -1 over 24 times 1 over 5. So -1 over this. So this is the sequence. So what is the sequence, everyone? So it will be, so I'm writing it here. Just a second. I'm writing it on the top. So it will be -half, -1 over 6, -1 over 24. And first value is -1 and then -1 over 120, right? This is the sequence. And what is the series now? We just have to add all the values to find out the series. So when we will add them, so the denominator, let's take the LCM, right? So 120, so it will be -120. Then we have of -60, then we have of -20, then we have of -5, and then we have of -1. Let's add them. So it will be -180, -200, -206 by 120. And let's find out the lowest term of this. So 103 by 60. So it will be -103 by 60 is the final answer of the series, right? Now let's talk about the next question, which is the question number 13, this one, where a1 and a2 means the first term and the second term is equal. So a1 is also 2 and a2 is also 2. And you have to take greater than 2, means you have to start with 3, right? And n is always positive and a natural number. So let's talk about a3, which is a of 3 minus 1 minus 1. So a3 minus 1 means a2. And what is the value of a2? It's 2. That is equals to 1. So this is a3. Let's talk about a4. So 4 minus 1 minus 1 of a3 minus 1. What is a3? a3 we have find out 1. That is equals to 0. Let's talk about a5, which is a of 5 minus 1 minus 1. A of 4 minus 1. a4 is 0 minus 1. That is equals to -1. So this is the series. So what is the sequence here now, everyone? A1 is 2, then is also 2, then we have 1, then we have 0, and then we have -1. Okay, so this is the final series. Now, whenever we have to find out this is the sequence, whenever we have to find out the series, we just add all the values. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. So the sum of the series is equals to 4. And this is the sequence that you have, right? So yes, thank you everyone. Thank you so much.